Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo's 3 to the west, be crossing midfield, turning to the left downwind runway 19, Greenwood.
GoPro traffic with Cessna, Delta Romeo, turning left base 23.
Traffic 173 Sierra Kilos, departing runway 19. We'll be departing to the southeast, looking for the traffic from midfield, Greenwood.
Greenwood traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo's costing west-east over midfield now, to enter left downwind 19, Greenwood. And I've got the traffic in sight on the runway. Traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo's turning to the left downwind, runway 19, full stop, Greenwood. Greenwood traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo's turning left base, runway 19, Greenwood, full stop. Greenwood traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo's turning final, runway 19, full stop, Greenwood.
Greenwood traffic 173 is off 19, departing to the southeast, Greenwood.
Nice landing.
Thank you. Almost couldn't feel it, could you?
Unlike that one kid here, that one.
Yeah. At least yours wasn't sarcastic, right?